In this video, I'll show you how to use Juicy Raspberry Pi with command server. So, what is a command server? A command server lets you write program in Python or JavaScript, and then when you issue a p command, p command is just a command start with p. When you issue p command, the program you write will be executed inside Minecraft. You see here it says no Python server is available because we haven't started the command server. So to start the command server, open the repo we downloaded, and so open the cmd_svr, and we want to try a command server in Python. So do a Python and copy the path. Open the Python command window, cd to the path. Then you just do Python. See there's a start svr.py file. So we want to use this file to start our command server. You just do start svr, because a Juicy Raspberry Pi in Forge, it listens on API port 4712, and the command server is started. You should start it on 4732. That's why we want to specify API port and server port. So after we start the command server, we should be able to use the command server inside Minecraft. So now we do plist. See, so plist. You see it says cube, falling block, flatten, rainbow, sphere. So what are these commands? You can try them. For example, p cube 2 stone. So it'll create a 2x2x2 stone cube. And falling block is just a block falling from above. So if you look up, you'll see a block is falling from the sky. What about flatten? Flatten, it means just flatten the structure around you, and create a flat surface. And rainbow, it will create a rainbow above you. Right now there's no rainbow, so let's create a rainbow. Now we have our rainbow. So a sphere command is just create a sphere. You can specify the size and the material. For example, 10 too small. How about 30 diamond? So I create a diamond cube with diameter of 30. So where are this command come from? It's actually come from here, from a directory called p plugins. This is a special directory, so any Python file you put in will be scanned by the command server. The command server is located here. And those commands you write will be registered as p command. For example, we want to create a new file called Panda, so we can spawn some Panda. For example, just Panda Python. So we want to do mcpi Minecraft import just spawn Panda. I think that's it. So we just want to spawn a Panda. So now we go back to our Minecraft and do a we want to do a p update. So now you see we have a Panda available. So we want to do a p Panda. Now we have a Panda spawn. If you want to do it again, you just do a p Panda again. So the second Panda spawned. You might ask, well, what if I want to spawn more than one Panda? So you can try this. So Panda, you can put count. So you can do now it will create how many ever Panda you want. So we'll do a p update. So now we can specify p Panda. If we want 2 Panda, we get 2 Panda. If we want like 15 panda. We got 15 panda. 15 pandas. So you might say, I don't want this panda. Well, who doesn't like panda? But if you insist, you can write a function that just clear out any animal entity around you. So I'll try to write that command. So you can put in this same file, or you can create a new file. So I will just make a new file. So I'll say clear animal. So first I will get all animals, like animals around me, by doing so we call it clear A. Clear A. Yeah. Now go back to Minecraft. Do a key update. And we have clear A. So let me just move somewhere with Panda. Do a clear A. Clear A. You see, the Panda around me is cleared. Now let's move over here. Do a clear A again. Yeah, now Panda's gone. How about here? So yeah, that's how you write a command for command server. Those commands you can use inside Minecraft. I show you how to use Python, but you can actually use JavaScript. Maybe I'll show you how to do that later. Okay.